So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google VEO 3 for free unlimited times. Everyone says this, but after watching the whole video, you realize the truth. 2 to 3 videos per day plus multiple accounts equals unlimited videos. But in this video, I will show you all the ways to access Google VEO 3 for free. I'll also show you exactly how many videos you can generate with each method. And at the end, I'll tell you a trick that will ensure you can generate a sufficient amount, meaning a good number of videos every day for your AI content creation. Listen up first. Remove Google Gemini and Google AI Studio from your list right away. You can't generate even a single video on a free account with these. Now, let's move to the most famous method. First, you need to come to Google Vids and click on Sign In. Choose any of your Google accounts. After processing, you'll see an interface like this where you need to select Google VEO 3.1. Here is the text-to-video option. I'll paste a random prompt just to test how many free videos it gives. To avoid wasting time, I'm fast-forwarding the video. So here you can see I've received a notification that my credits are over and will now refresh on the 1st of next month. In total, I generated 10 videos here and then ran out of credits. So in my opinion, this isn't a sustainable method for long-term AI content creation. Next, I saw a lot of people promoting Adobe Firefly as unlimited. Let's do a reality check on this. I'm on the Firefly website and I've created a new account. Now I'll put in a prompt. Look at the result. It didn't even follow the prompt properly. And the limit? It clearly says limited video generation here. After making just 3 videos, I got a notice saying I can't make any more. But whether this is a daily, monthly, or a one-time generation limit per account, I don't know. So if you guys test this out, please drop a comment so it helps others too. By the way, anyone calling this unlimited on YouTube is 100% clickbait. The next method is Google Opal AI. People are claiming you can create a free app here and generate unlimited videos. I signed in here. Now follow the exact same steps I'm doing. Select the VEO model, and from the advanced settings here, you can change the model and aspect ratio. Now you can paste your prompt in this step and generate videos. There's no history of the generated video. Either save it now or it's gone forever. You can download it, refresh the page, and create again this way. But talking about limits, during testing, the credits ran out after making just 5 videos. Although the video quality came out good, the limit is only 5. Whether that's per account or per day, you guys tell me in the comments. You know what to do. Now let's come to Google Flow, where you get 80 to 100 credits on a free account. You get 3 options here: fast, quality, and light. Light model takes 10 credits. Fast model takes 20 credits. Quality model takes 100 credits. So mathematically, you can generate 10 videos with the light option and 5 videos with fast. And the fun part is, this refreshes daily. But the AI video generator isn't strong enough yet to generate my prompt properly. I mean, I told it to write a sentence from start to finish in a close-up, but I don't know what it's doing with the written text. If you have a credit card, this method is for you. You can go to Google Cloud, Vertex AI, set up billing, and get a $300 free trial credit. No money will be deducted for this. Just remember to cancel it before the trial ends. With this $300 trial, you can generate around 60 high-quality videos, which is not bad at all. For details, you can watch a specific tutorial for this on YouTube. I had to cover all the methods, so I shared this one. Now let's move to the unlimited-like methods. The best method, which is a jackpot, especially for Indian users. If you are a Geo user, do a minimum recharge of $349 on your number. In this, you get the Google One AI Premium plan for free. After recharging, click on Plan Details, Upcoming Plan, and then activate this pack too. After that, inside the plan benefits, you will get the option to activate the Google AI Pro plan. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to your browser, where you should choose the account you normally use, meaning the one you want to activate Pro on. And here it is. Your Pro account is completely ready, sir. So yeah, these are all the methods you can use to generate video using Google VEO 3, Now, if you just can't manage to use this method anyway, then, just create multiple Gmail accounts and use the free tier credits for like Flow, Opal, Gemini, and other platforms, honestly. But to create a Gmail account, you're going to need a mobile number. And to bypass it, I've watched so many videos, but honestly, nothing actually works. So yeah, you can try this method, but only works on mobile. Go here on your mobile. Google, add another account, create account for personal use. Enter a name, date of birth, select a password, and after filling up all the options, see? An account is created without phone number verification. Just copy this email and password, log into your PC, and easily keep generating more than 10 videos from each account. And for more no clickbait, no nonsense content like this, subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video.